A big thanks to Miller Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram for letting me film their vehicles today. They are located at 48 Kelly Island Road here in Martinsburg, West Virginia. As you can see, they have a nice variety of new and pre-owned vehicles. Feel free to check out their website by clicking the link below in the description. Hey Dodge fans, here we have a 2014 Ram 2500 heavy duty turbo diesel Cummins, white exterior, chrome handles, alloy rims, Firestone tires. They are 275 LT 275 70R18s. Nice chrome handles, 8-foot bed, very long, large truck, chrome outlining around the rear tail lights, the Rammy, 4x4, large exhaust pipe there, keyless entry. This one does come with remote start. Push the lock button and push that button twice. That button right there, the starter button, starts right up. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. You have the white exterior with a tan, dark brown on the doors, tan leather interior. It's good. Start it up. Starts right up. Fuel lights on in this one, so I'll just shift it and shift smooth. Nice grip on the 3-spoke steering wheel. Actually looks like 4-spoke. Very smooth steering. I'm going to go ahead and shut it off so it doesn't run out of gas. But starts right up. Very luxurious interior. Touchscreen radio. Very good. One thing I noticed about the Chryslers and Dodges here at Miller Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram of Martinsburg is the Dodge and Chrysler vehicles' touchscreen systems don't lag. Large center console. I like the Ram badge in the center there. Various storage areas, storage there. Power windows, locks and mirrors. Chrome plating Ram on the door handle there. Power seats. Take a look at the rear driver's side passenger. Very nice amount of legroom. Chrome handles. Sits up very high. Tow package. Can tow a lot. I don't know exactly how much, but I know it can tow a lot. Over here, rear passenger side, you have ventilation ducts down there, heating controls, and power outlet. Let's take a look at the front passenger side. Power seats on this side also. Walk around, pop the hood, and we'll show you under the hood and do one more quick walk around. Fog lights, Very nice chrome face. Solid sound of the door thunk. Just a beast of a truck. Let me set my camera down there so I can open it. Sorry about that. 6.7 liter turbo diesel Cummins. Very, 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 very large engine. Reliable, tough motor. Sleek design, very aggressive design. But there you go. Let's do one more quick walk around of it. You have lights on top of the truck, front towards the roof. Rear privacy glass. I believe this one has rear sliding window. No bed liner. But you could have one put in. But there you go. That's the startup and tour of the 2014 Ram 2500 Laramie. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos.